The Mercedes AMG C63 is the epitome of luxury and performance, blending sophistication with raw power to create a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. From the moment you set eyes on it, the aggressive stance and meticulously sculpted bodywork hint at the masterpiece that lies beneath. Every line and curve of its exterior exudes confidence, with aerodynamic enhancements that not only contribute to its stunning aesthetics but also improve handling and stability. The signature Panamericana grille, adorned with the iconic AMG emblem, stands as a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. Flared wheel arches, muscular proportions, and an assertive front bumper add to the unmistakable presence that commands attention on the road. Step inside, and you are greeted by an interior that seamlessly fuses opulence with motorsport-inspired elements. High-quality materials, including Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, create an ambiance of sophistication. The AMG Performance seats, designed to provide exceptional support, ensure maximum comfort even at high speeds. The flat-bottomed AMG steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara or leather, offers a tactile connection between driver and machine, enhancing control and responsiveness. State-of-the-art technology is at your fingertips, with a fully digital cockpit that provides customizable displays to keep you informed at all times. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with intuitive controls, ensuring that entertainment, navigation, and vehicle settings are always within reach. On the road, every element of the C63 has been engineered to deliver an electrifying performance. The AMG-tuned suspension and precision steering make every twist and turn an opportunity to experience unparalleled agility and responsiveness. Advanced aerodynamics and intelligent driving modes allow for seamless adaptability, whether navigating city streets or dominating the open highway. The AMG Ride Control System ensures a smooth yet dynamic ride, with adjustable damping settings that cater to various driving conditions and personal preferences. With a rear-biased setup and cutting-edge traction control systems, power is delivered with remarkable efficiency, ensuring maximum grip and stability even under aggressive acceleration. The exhaust note is a symphony of power, resonating with a deep and throaty growl that is unmistakably AMG. The variable exhaust system lets you tailor the sound to match your mood, whether you prefer a subdued hum for relaxed cruising or an earth-shattering roar that announces your presence. The sheer intensity of its sound is enough to send shivers down the spine of any automotive enthusiast. Beyond its performance capabilities, the C63 embodies an advanced suite of safety features that provide confidence and peace of mind. Cutting-edge driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention technology, ensure that every journey is as secure as it is thrilling. The intelligent braking system offers precise stopping power, while dynamic stability control ensures that even the most spirited drives remain under control. Customization options allow you to tailor the C63 to your unique style, with a range of exclusive paint finishes, wheel designs, and interior trims to choose from. AMG Night Package, Carbon Fiber Package, and other optional enhancements add an extra layer of exclusivity, ensuring that your C63 stands out even among elite performance vehicles. Every detail, from the hand-finished interior to the meticulously tuned suspension, reflects the dedication and craftsmanship that define the AMG brand. Whether carving through mountain roads or making an impression in the city, the Mercedes AMG